Well, welcome back everybody to Taylor's Boarded Campervan. Today we've got another nice little job coming your way. Now, if you remember when I made the desk video, I said it's likely that this is going to be taken apart, and at that time it already had been, but I couldn't say that, of course, in the video. But yeah, it has been taken apart because Mum's bed is far too high, and it was literally inaccessible from the inside. You could have got in from the outside, and I probably wouldn't mind sleeping up there, but for Mum it's not very nice. Anyway, so that means I have to take apart my whole dice desk that I made, and the wall in the middle, and we're gonna just lower Mum's bed down to the window height really, and so we can still fit a gas lock on there and plenty of stuff. So it'll still be about 2.5 foot off the ground, I think, but a lot lower than it was, and Mum will have plenty of room. So we're gonna lower the bed today, and yeah, get that all done so it's actually sleepable for Mum, and then you have all the windows as well to look out of, which we need to get some curtains for. But yeah, let's get on with it. You know, I'm quite sad, guys, because I've actually got to take this nice desk that I made. I did quite a good job on it apart, because yeah, it's just impractical. Mum's bed is too high. We thought about it, and Grandad's put his word in and he said, yeah, that's just too high, it needs to be dropped down. We were going to do like holes, put bolts through, and so you could adjust it to different heights. But to be honest with you, I built this desk so I could do some editing in here, but I don't think that's ever going to happen anyway. So we're just going to drop this down now. Drop it down to probably about there, I reckon. So I'll leave the post in because above the bed now will be storage. So we'll have some storage space up here now, at the same level as this bed was. Yeah, I'm still going to release that video that I made. Well, you've already seen it when I made this desk, just because it's content. It's interesting. Unfortunately, it's just not enough room for Mum to get in and out, because she likes to go for a wee in the night. Right, now that's unfortunately the desk out. Well, look at that, it's all gone. Need to remove this like little chair I made now as well. That's Christmas present. Screw this bit down. Ow. Alright, that's the chair gone as well. We're back to this. Now the job of trying to drop the bed down. 2 screws here, but holding this first post up. Let me lift my shoulder, Josh. No, it's wedged. Down on that bed. Can't get to that those screws, guys, because of the walls in the way. I don't really want to have to remove the wall. That's a very long job. So her bed's gonna be like this.
At least you can get on it now.
Yeah, got rid of the mattress now. Just see those 2 screws. Oh, the one snapped. Oh no, I think it's only one actually. We're going to use these posts for our shelves at the top, but these ones went on the inside and they were only as tall as the bed, so now we got to trim them down, these ones, to the height we want. I don't know, maybe about
there?
22 inches or 20.
Yeah, that's fine, as long as you get the water tank underneath. Oh, the gas bottle though, what's the height of the gas bottle?
We've trimmed down the posts now so we can put Mum's bed at 25 inches off the ground. The frame is actually too small for this section now. We've got one in.
Is this the dead screw here?
No, that's a good screw. Next one. Sure, this side is the same level now, so we want 24.5. Need to lift it up a little bit.
Different screw.
There we go. Mum's bed has been lowered. Fine.
Oh, can you look out at the views though?
Yeah.
So she can have a viewpoint.
Yeah. She needs some curtains, but
Trouble with lapping curtains, everyone can look in at night.
hmm.
I have to just put a blanket top up.
She's got 4 windows. She has that one, that one, that one, and that one.
That one is wrong, isn't it?
Yeah.
Even that needs to go like that there to make it straight. You can see that. Perfectly straight, it needs to be like that. See?
No, it looks straight from where I stood.
Fuck off.
It's
Not finished yet.
I know.
Much stronger already, isn't it?
Made the bed a lot stronger now. Barely moves, so it's alright.
This little block of wood come in handy for Mum's bed because then it's pressed up against here now. Woo! First time I've had my top off this year.
I don't know if I can do this one hand.
It's not that funny. Yeah. It's bit. You want it the right way round. Curve. Where's it going, mate? Like that?
No.
Oh. Okay.
It's one side. We just put in this stud work at the top here. That's made the bathroom solid now. I don't know why we didn't put a support at the top before, but there we go. And it's covered up that massive gap. Door closes a lot nicer now too.
You still got a gap underneath, but you need it for ventilation,
Yeah,
don't you?
that's fine.
Because you haven't got a window in there, so. I'll take the pen. Trouble is, I'm doing it weirdly, so
No,
I can't guarantee this is going to be straight, okay?
no, it won't be.
Because really,
You can't even hit the mark.
hey,
You can't even hit the mark.
I can't see it properly because I'm at an angle. Can I?
Should we just take the post out?
Yeah, take it out. better, yeah.
Right, so as you can see, that is lowering Mum's bed is done. Had to secure that bathroom wall as well, didn't we? Which is, yeah, it's all a lot sturdier and stronger now, and yeah, Mum's bed is actually an appropriate height and is good there. She likes it there. It's a lot better than it was, and it's, yeah, we have sacrificed like the dinette and that, but at least it's actually comfortable for Mum to stay in now. I was just trying to make the most out of the room in there, but it just wasn't going to happen really. But yeah, it's a lot better now. She's still sleeping it for the first time. Well, it hasn't happened yet, so we see. Yeah, I've ordered some curtains, so that's coming, and yeah, we'll make it look a lot nicer. Put some cupboards up in there. But that's all for the future. But for now, I'm gonna leave it here. Give it a like if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already too, for more campervan conversion videos, and also for our upcoming trip, which will be very soon. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.